In this video, let's talk about what is the length of wheel bolt for 50mm wheel spacers. Let's go. If you want to replace the stock bolt, the length of bolt you need is the same as the stock bolt. If you are going to install wheel spacers, you need to install the extending wheel bolt. The length of extending wheel bolt you need is the thickness of the spacer plus the stock bolt length. The matching wheel stud use SCM440 steel material. For normal driving, they can easily withstand hundreds of strong shocks and are sufficient to cope with intense racing competitions. The spacer structure design effectively reduces the losing of bolts during use. With the 12 pedal hand design, the pedal hands can only be manufactured by superforging technology. This uniform distribution requires a large tonnage machine to forge in one step. Not only that, but the bottom of the bolt also has a bonus engraved. BONOSS owns factory. By engraving the word B or bonus on each BONOSS extending wheel bolt, it is the guarantee of quality and the protection of customers' interests. This excellent performance from BONOSS professional and dedicated attitudes. Once again, my name is Grace. If you like our videos, please give us a thumb up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.